Hi, I'm Jim, and today I want to show you a new fantastic patented material that was created for any inkjet printer, no matter if you're using a resin-based ink or a water-based ink or a dye-based ink. They'll all work in any inkjet printer. The material has a unique quality in that it's easily removable, leaves no residue once mounted on a surface, easily repositionable, and can be stored and reused later if you so choose. The Klingable material comes with what we call a smart adhesive backing. All you have to do is dog-ear the corner a little bit and then just peel it off the backing material. Then it'll stick to almost any surface that you want to put it onto. Here I'm going to put it on a cloth surface. You just smooth it out and it'll stay put for days, months, or even a year. No problem. If you want to remove it later on, all we do is just peel it off again. If you want to reuse it, you can reuse it somewhere else, say on the wall over here. Just smooth it out. You have a little wrinkle in it, it's no problem. You just pick up the corner again, peel it back, and using a straight edge or a credit card, you can just work that bubble out of there. This is something you can't do with the vinyl material, which is usually made for this in the past, but is now really totally outdated. This material can be coated with a UV coating, so we can use it for outdoor bumper stickers. I hope you noticed how easy it was for me to remove it over there and reposition and re-sticker it here. This is very easy to do with this material because you can do it very often and very many times. With the traditional vinyl that's often used for wall stickers, bumper stickers, and what have you, it's more or less a permanent positioning. Once you put it on, you'll never get it off. It's sort of like the old story about Twinkies, where once you put one on a fence post and come back years later, even the ants don't touch it. It's the same with vinyl. I'm sure many of you have had experience with vinyl bumper stickers on your car where you can't get the blessed thing off at any point. This material you can leave on a car for a year or two and it'll still easily come back and re-peel off. You can also put a UV coating on this material to withstand sunlight so that even the image will not fade. And I hope you also notice the high quality images we can achieve with this woven fabric material. Klingable material comes in two sizes, traditionally 8.5 by 11 and also 13 by 19, or called Super B. If you have a printer that's large enough to print Super B, it's no problem because all you have to do is put it in your paper feed tray, set up your software program, and print it. And you'll get super fantastic quality prints like this as long as your original artwork has the quality. Here's our charter school bumper sticker again. I just want to show you some of the other advantages that I talked about. I'm going to peel it off of this little display stand we had it on, and I'm going to kind of even crumple it up a little bit. Now if you want to try to tear it, you really can't. You can see how hard I'm pulling on this. Again, if this was a vinyl type material, vinyl can be torn, and once it's crumpled or distorted, it stretches, and so you really can't use it again. No problem with Klingable material. You'll see this bumper sticker back in a minute or two outside. Okay, we're outside now. This was the same SuperViz logo that I was using inside on the wall behind me. I took it down, stuck it on the backing sheet temporarily. When you want to put it on a vehicle, you need to clean the surface of the vehicle and let it dry. And then when you're going to put this on, the best way is just to start curling the fingers and the backing seat back. You may need two people to help do this to get it straight. And you can, as you're putting it on, you can work out any wrinkles. They're easy to do. The material easily can be picked up and repositioned, no problem. and then just peel off the rest of the backing sheet slowly and just work the Klingables down. Again, we can work out any wrinkles as we go along. And just work it down here. You can use the edge of a credit card to help smooth it. Again, if you have a little bubble in it or something, you just pick it up, the edge of the credit card. But as I said, this is probably best done by two people working together, so you can help stretch it as you're applying it and make sure you get it square. Hi, remember inside? This was that Armstrong Academy bumper sticker I crumpled up and put on the side. I just found it in my pocket. But look, crumpled up is no problem. All I got to do is pull it back apart. And this was really crumpled up. Pull it taut. And then you can easily put it on the side of the car or as a bumper sticker. Just an example, this was a vinyl bumper sticker the dealer applied advertising his dealership when I bought the car over a year ago. I've been picking at it ever since to get rid of his name. But as you can see, it's not easy to do and takes a lot of time. If this was a Klingable material, I could have removed it in less than 30 seconds.